చదవనిగా. Class 6th subject mathematics, topic practical geometry, lesson units, introduction. What is this? What is the name of the following figure or shape? Have a look at these shapes. First one, what is this? Second one, third one. So observe these shapes. So second one, what are the shapes of these? What is the difference between the shapes of column 1 and column 2? So column 1 shapes are which type of shapes? These are geometrical shapes. Column 2, non-geometrical shapes. So geometrical figures and shapes. So what's the first one? It is a triangle. What's the second one? It is a circle. So it is a third one, line segment. These are the perpendicular bisectors of two lines. In the triangle, the angles are in corners. Circle, line segment, perpendicular lines. To construct these figures, we need some tools. So we use the following mathematical instruments to construct shapes: a ruler, a compasses, a divider, a set square, protractor, pencil. The pencil is used to draw the figure. The ruler is used to draw line segments and to measure their lengths. A compass, pointer, pencil. Compass is used to draw arcs and circles. Using the ruler and compasses, the following constructions can be made: a circle when the length of its radius is known, a line segment when its length is given, a perpendicular an angle of a given measure. The divider is used to compare the lengths of line segments or lines. Set square are used to draw perpendicular and parallel lines and to make 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees angles. The protractor is used to draw and measure angles. Summary: using the pencil, we can draw the line, circle, square and other geometrical shapes. The divider is used to compare the lengths. Compass is used to draw arcs and circles. They can also be used as tools to measure distances. Set squares are used to draw perpendicular and parallel lines. Protractor used to measure and draw angles.